Hey Janet, this is a screen directly from the multiple listing system. These are the solds for the last 6 months for the Great Neck Estate. And the actives, and there's a pending. That means that it should be closing shortly. So this is real time, apples to apples that we're comparing. You can see market time here. You can see how that was the one that we started off with. That was when I first heard what pricing your sister was looking for. It is 2333 square feet. It is on the other side. Your side's lake is closer and has direct access into the Lynn Haven Inlet. So it is more desirable. So we base it from there and we start going down. Now inside here, this one is not waterfront, but it's a little bit closer to our square footage, 1,900 square feet. It does have one less bedroom, okay? And our lot is quite bigger. It's ours is 0.86 acres. Theirs is 0.47. So if we come somewhere close to that or a little bit below that, it'll look like a great deal, but we would have gotten a lot more, netted a lot more for you. It is beautiful inside though. Let me show you. Just so you can see it's all done and fixed and painted and staged. It makes a big difference, sure. But it is not waterfront, not waterfront. Okay, let's go back here. And this is the other, that was the two main ones. That's the active one I was looking at. This one here, this one is quite bigger than ours at 495. But normally what happens with this one, I don't know what the actual price that they sold it for. It may be 495, I'm not quite sure. They won't disclose that information, of course, not now, not until it closes. But it has a big lot like ours. It's younger than where ours is. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. But the tax is about the same, but it says marsh title. I guess ours isn't. Ours is Deepwater Access, although it's a little title right there close to the I forgot what that's called. The deck, not the deck, but the, oh wow, can't even think of what it's called right now. Don't worry about it. You know where the bulkhead. Thank you, the bulkhead. So I'm gonna send you this link to these so you can review them on your own. I know that there's varying square footages, and your house on the outside looks very good, by the way, and you can see the short market time. So I'll go ahead and forward this to you, and then for your review, and you just let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.